description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got something new from Nongshim, Yukgaejang. This is, I've seen a lot of Yukgaejang varieties over the years, and yeah, this one looks like the wrong packaging. But, yeah, premium spicy beef. And 4 minutes. Okay. We can do this. It has been an absolutely, crummy go. But the Ramen Raider will survive the crummy go. Yeah, so I ended up with like an infection on my leg, and it hurts. It feels like my leg is on fire. It's unenjoyable. Plus, there's fun nauseousness that goes along with it. So, hopefully that will subside soon, as I've been taking the prescription medication. But, yeah, I'm good. But it's like normally I'd be going out walking with my daughter today, but no. It's like I went out for a little while yesterday, and when I got back, all of a sudden my leg was just like level 10 pain. So I'm like, okay, fine. I won't do it. Stay put. Here, let me set up the microwave. I'm doing 3 today, and the 3 I'm doing are all, well, this one's made in California, but it's from a Korean company, and the other 2 I'm doing are from Korean companies, so that's pretty cool. 4 minutes, huh? Don't explode. That's the motto of the day, is please don't explode. Oh, what's going on? It's still all people that are talking about, it seems like, is Jeffrey Epstein's list, and how there's like hardcore Trump supporters who are mad at him, and there's that, and then there's all the raids, people getting picked up, the wrong people getting picked up. I swear they just went to, like, I don't know where, but they got some people that don't seem to be really all that, like they're all new. I wonder how much money you get for being an ICE agent. I don't know, but it's weird. I went on their website, actually. I didn't see how much the salary is, but I went on the Homeland Security website, and I looked in like careers and immigration, and yeah, I mean, that's a thing if that's what you want to do. Personally, that's not something I would do, and being blind, that probably doesn't help. So, but yeah, weird wild world. We just got done watching a series called 0 Day with Robert De Niro. That was good. And then my buddy Matt, he recommended, if you liked that, you'll probably like this movie called Mountainhead. It was like, whoa, dude. I have to talk to him about that, because that was really bad. I'm gonna bet I go on Rotten Tomatoes and they give it like a 90, and it's like, why do people like these horrible movies? I really don't know. Oh, it's, but not so much, and not getting it. We also did a little social operation, a soc op, as it were. So I went on ChatGPT and told it, write 200 words that would infuriate a community group on like a post called Ramen Junkies, and use the tone and typing of a high school dropout. And oh my god, it worked. It inflamed them, like literally generated outrage. And then another guy with a funny name, he copied and pasted it, so there were two of the article, and people were commenting on that one. And then another person did it, and they did that. And a guy, the third guy is a guy I know, and he was like, it's crazy. Some of the comments are just like so rude. I'm like, well, yeah, dude. People are nuts, and they will get mad about anything, you know. But yeah, some people got really, really mad. You know, like, I like my Marashan. I don't like none of this Tonkazu 15. What does it say? $15 for a bowl of noodles that tastes like salty water and milk or something like that. It was great. It was exactly the... They were calling it rage bait too, and I've never heard of that, but it's like, wow, you can win elections with that crap. You can. They have been. Okay. It did not explode. That's a bonus. I don't really have an interest in cleaning the microwave today. So, yeah. Let's have a look-see. Yeah, as far as my leg goes, I am just like totally beat. I'm wondering too, it's like I did it's been a week since I did it too. Last Monday we walked 6 miles, and Tuesday we walked closer to 10. Maybe that has something to do with it, but I'm an avid walker. But yeah, you know, if my leg wasn't bugging me, I'd be like, yeah, let's go. But it's not just the leg bugging me, it's the nausea, and that could have a lot to do with the antibiotics I'm taking. At least that's what it said. Okay, Yukgaejang. I'm guessing this is just going to taste like a very standard Korean ramen. Maybe a little bit of extras in there. I don't know what, but we'll see. I'm tempted to break out my crazy tiger jumps on the roof. Cheers. Noodles very nice. There's our broth. Bit of oiliness to it. That's really quite good. That may be my... Wow. It's got a nice heat. It's got a nice oiliness. That's exceptional. I will say that right now. And the bowl that I picked is way too deep, so I'm going to go with a different bowl. Yeah. I'll go with this one. This one's rather deep, and this one requires a lot of extra photoshopping because the edges get all funny looking in a way that I don't appreciate. But I don't know. I'm sitting on my butt most of today. The worst part of this is like I'll be sitting on the couch and then it's just like all of a sudden it's so painful. So my wife went to the store kindly. Usually I go to the store too, but you know, with the leg and all. But she was kind enough to go to the Asian market and get some Chinese sausage. This. And I think this begs for egg. I just made egg, so they're not extremely dark yet. I need more egg too. And I wanted a really quick thank. I know this is like a while ago that I was asking for noodles and support, but I want to thank, of course, all the kind people who do such things. I reached out to a ton of noodle companies and I've been getting good response, which I enjoy. So there's that. I'm really tempted to use that kimchi, but I think I'm going to hold off on that. I've got a lot of Korean stuff. You'll see what the next thing I do is. Oh, I could have done that. Why do I do that? I should take one of these out. In fact, I should take one of these out too. Got Komaboko. That's not going in here. And I've got Noodle. That's not going in here. I just need to start prepping for the next one I'm doing, you know. Okay, you need some seeds. If you find this Yukgaejang stuff, I hear it's at Costco. Get it. Get it, get it, get it. This is some of the best ramen I've had in a long time. Very, very wonderful. I'm actually going to use some pepper thread on this one. There you go. And there you are. That is the deal. It doesn't need a whole lot. I mean, it's got a really nice flavor to it. I'm enthused. So, yeah, bravo, Nongshim. No. Well, cool. Thanks for watching. The next one you're gonna see is This is Good Soul Tteokbokki, and this is their original, so it'll be sweet and spicy sauce on it. This was sent to me from Dubai, and it's made in South Korea, and this is for the, what do they call it? The GCC, the Gulf Countries Cooperative? I can't remember what that stood for, but I'd never heard of that. Group of countries over there referred to as that. So I guess I'll have to educate myself a little bit. But yeah, cool. That'll be next on Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Reader wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.